Welcome to this Qigong practice to improve your back strength and cultivate good posture. Find a sturdy chair with no sides, feet connected to the floor so you feel secure and grounded. Listen to your body and modify when needed. Let's start with a warm-up, warming up those shoulders with full shoulder rolls. We're increasing circulation and blood flow into this area. Long, deep breaths in through your nose and out through your nose. I want you to think of breathing deep into the belly. Now let's do some shoulder lifts right up to the ears and relax down. Inhale as you contract, exhale down. Let go of tightness and tension in the neck area. Reaching out through the crown, sitting nice and tall. Spinal cord breathing, opening the chest as you inhale, exhaling, rounding the back. Inhaling, lifting your gaze, and slowly exhaling, bringing your chin to your chest. Inhaling, bringing your attention to the openness of your chest. You are moving your spine and creating space in the vertebra. Relax into this posture. Dog wagging tail. Shift left and right over those sits bones. I want you to feel the movement all the way up through into the shoulders, the neck area. This is a lateral movement for your spine. Fun fact, as you move your spine and deep breathing, this can help calm your central nervous system, which affects all the organs in the body. Let's expand through the rib cage as we move into big rock. Inhale, open your chest, floating your arms up to your sides, and exhale, floating your arms down. This is a beautiful exercise for your heart, your lungs. You're creating room in the rib cage and intercostal muscles. Nice and relaxed. Remember to lengthen through the crown. You're improving circulation with this movement. And make this movement as big as you feel comfortable. Inhaling with the arms rising, exhaling with the arms coming down. Your arms are floating through air. Heart to earth, heart to sky. Bring your palms together at your chest and press your arms out, palms pushing out to your sides. Exhale to your chest, inhale as you open. You're creating space in your joints. Feel open. Inhale deep into the body. Feel the movement in your upper back and chest area. Now let's turn to your right and we're going to circle your arms. Arms come together, palms open and circle back. You can round your back and then open your chest. This is called parting the clouds. Exhale forward, inhale, expand as you open. We'll gently turn to the left side. This movement is at the heart level and have the intention of clearing the way of anything standing in your way, allowing positive energy to come in. You are open to positive opportunities. Let's pull down the heavens to feel centered. Now let's stretch our shoulder girdle. Let's bring that left hand up your back as high as you can and take your right arm across to the left and twist. Inhale, open your right arm. Exhale, twist as you look back. Inhale deep into the belly. Exhale, twist. This is great for releasing tension and tightness. Breathe deep. Gently relax your right arm down. We're going to switch arms now. So right arm up your back as high as you can. Open your chest. Left arm comes across. Look behind. Inhale, open. This is a great exercise for your rotator cuff if you have any issues with your shoulders. Now remember, always listen to your body. Breathe into it. Exhale out. Inhale, open. Relaxing the arms down. Another great stretch for releasing lines of tension. Press those palms away. Reaching up and relaxing your ear to your shoulder. So let's go to the right. Gently lifting the chin up. Inhale. Hold and exhale, chin down, spreading the feathers. Beautiful for addressing those lines of tension through the upper back neck area. Gently come up, reaching through the crown, and exhale, left ear to left shoulder. Chin comes up, inhale. Exhale, chin comes down. Back to center, and let's give it a little shake. Pulling down the sky, float the arms up. Float the arms down in front of you. Inhale as the arms come up. Exhale slowly as the arms come down. This is a wonderful exercise to help you sleep as your mind clears, calms your emotions, and centers your energy into your lower dantian, your lower belly. And you can always do this with more repetitions to help you feel calm and centered. Inhale up, exhale down. As we finish, take a moment as you breathe into your center. It's been wonderful working with you today. You can practice this routine daily to help you be proactive and cultivate proper alignment for healthy posture and increased energy. Thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more motivational videos. Love, light, and chi.